Vibes Cartel, Spice,
Massacre,
Popcaan. Bro, even the artists them when not have it like that.
Yeah, man.
Them must step up to the plate. So
All
Jamaican people,
all of them must step up to the plate.
you see after this, we no feel lift up with culture, with dancehall culture, with reggae culture, no matter what them a do. You see if them a do it and them now bring harm to you or your kids them, lift them up because as you know can see, are them.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Are them. And we can't live out Beenie man.
Beenie man, bro. Oh!
Can't live out Beenie man, bro.
Can't live out Beenie man, bro. Beenie man, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
I see all in a water boat. I see the zinc them a come on for your truck, bro.
Yeah, man.
Enough respect, bro. Enough respect.
Big up all our artists. As I say, you don't know a thing set.
Yeah, dog.
Big up.
Cheers to Jamaica recovery.
Yeah, man, and success.
Strong people, you see me?